Hey traders, welcome back to AM Indicators. Recently, I launched a new course called AM Quantum Binary Signals, and ever since then, a lot of you have been messaging me in the comments and through email, asking the same questions again and again. How does this indicator actually work? What's the signal accuracy like? Is it really worth using? So today, I decided to clear up all those doubts once and for all, and that's exactly why I made this video. In this video, I'm going to show you an indicator that runs on my 1-minute chart, and the signals it gives. I take those trades directly on IQ option. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how this indicator works, how a signal gets generated, and how all the filters work together to confirm quality before a signal even appears on the chart. And if after watching this you decide you want to try it yourself, I've already added the course link in the video description below. You can go there and grab it. Now let me make one thing clear first. This is not a guaranteed profit claim, and I'm not showing you some scheme to double your money overnight. What you're about to watch is 4 live trades that I recorded. The signals the indicator gave, I took those exactly as they appeared, live on IQ option. All 4 trade results are going to be shown to you, nothing edited, nothing hidden. What the outcome turns out to be, you'll see that for yourself as we go. But before that, one quick risk warning. No indicator can guarantee a 100% win rate, and the results in this video are past performance, which never guarantees future results. This video is purely for educational purposes, not financial advice, so please do your own research and practice on a demo account before using real money. Alright, now let's actually get into how this indicator works. AM Quantum Binary Signals supports both MT4 and MT5, so no matter which platform you're using, you're covered. For this indicator to work properly, you need to set your chart time frame to 1 minute, and when you take the trade based on the signal, the expiry should be set to 5 minutes. Behind it is a mean reversion logic, which basically means that when price touches an extreme point on the Bollinger Band, the indicator checks the probability of price reverting back toward the midline. But it doesn't rely on just one condition. There are a total of 9 filters working together inside this system. RSI exhaustion, the ADX trend filter, 15-minute higher timeframe bias, wick rejection, momentum confirmation. All of these have to align and pass together before a single signal is generated. And most importantly, this indicator is non-repainting. That means once a signal appears on your chart, it locks permanently the moment that candle closes. It never shifts. It never changes after the fact. Whatever signal you see sitting in the history is exactly the same signal that fired in real time. And if you ever run into any issues or have questions, our support team is available 24/7. You can simply email us at support@amcourses.com. So now, let's get into the live trades. I recorded a total of 4 trades, and I'm going to walk you through each one, showing you exactly which signal the indicator gave, why it gave that signal, and what the final result was. And remember, if you want to try this indicator yourself after watching, the course link is right there in the description below. Alright, let's get started. So here's our second trade of today's session. Look at this signal. The indicator just gave us a premium 5 out of 5 rating, which, as I explained earlier, is the highest confidence score this system can generate. You can see the yellow arrow pointing down right at this candle, and that's our cue for a sell entry. Based on that signal, I've gone ahead and placed a lower trade on IQ option, with the expiration set to align with our 1-minute chart and 5-minute window. Now remember, this signal didn't just show up randomly. It passed through all 9 of those filters we talked about, the RSI exhaustion, the ADX trend check, the 15-minute higher time frame bias. Everything aligned before this arrow even appeared. That's the entire point of using a confluence-based system like this, instead of jumping into a trade on a hunch. Now, while the trade is live, you'll notice something interesting happening. The score on the chart has actually updated to 4/5. And if you look at the price action, it pushed up for a moment, even pushing the position into negative territory briefly. This is completely normal in binary trading. Price doesn't move in a straight line, and short-term fluctuations like this are exactly why patience matters once you've taken a signal. What's important here is that the indicator already confirmed the setup before entry, so a temporary pullback doesn't mean the signal was wrong. It just means the market needs a little time to play out toward the expiration. This is also why I always tell you, never panic close a trade the moment you see red. Let the logic behind the signal do its job. And there it is, trade closed, and we land in profit. That premium 5 out of 5 signal played out exactly the way the system is designed to identify, price reverted, momentum aligned, and the trade closed in our favor right around the expiration window. This is trade number 2 for today, and so far it's matching exactly what I told you in the beginning of this video. This isn't magic, it's a structured, multi-filter system doing what it was built to do. Now let's wait till the next perfect signal comes up. Now, before we move to the next trade, I want to quickly point something out. If you look here, the indicator actually gave us a premium 5 out of 5 buy signal a little earlier, and we missed taking this one. This happens sometimes. You can't catch every single signal live, especially if you're watching multiple charts or you simply weren't in front of the screen at that exact moment. But I'm showing you this deliberately because it's important you understand the indicator doesn't stop generating quality setups just because you missed one. It keeps scanning and it'll give you another opportunity, like the one we just took and like the one we're about to wait for now. All right, this is our third trade of today's session, and this time the indicator has given us a 4/5 rated signal. You can see the red arrow pointing down right here, and that's our cue for a sell entry. Based on that, I've placed a lower trade on IQ option, again with the expiration aligned to our 1-minute chart and 5-minute window. Now, a 4/5 signal isn't the absolute maximum score, but it's still a high confidence setup. It means the majority of our 9 filters have aligned, RSI exhaustion, the ADX trend check, the higher time frame bias, all confirming the same direction. This is exactly why I keep telling you, you don't need a perfect 5 out of 5 every single time. A strong 4 out of 5 can be just as reliable when the overall structure lines up. As the trade moves forward, you can see the position go through some back and forth. At one point it was sitting in a temporary loss, which again is completely normal. Price action rarely moves in a clean straight line toward expiration. But as we get closer to the countdown finishing, you can see the price starting to shift in our favor, and the expected profit is now showing positive. This is the part where discipline really matters. A lot of traders panic and close early the moment they see red, but if the signal logic was sound at entry, the best approach is simply to let the trade run its full course to expiration. And there we go. Trade closed, landing in profit. That 4/5 sell signal worked out exactly as the system intended, the trend confirmation and exhaustion signals lined up, and the price moved in our direction right as we approached expiration. That's 3 for 3 so far today, and each one of these trades came directly from the indicator signal. Nothing discretionary, nothing based on gut feeling, just following the system as it's designed to be used. Now let's wait till the next perfect signal comes up. And here we are, the fourth and final trade of today's session. Just like before, the indicator has given us another premium 5 out of 5 signal, the highest confidence rating this system can produce. You can see the yellow arrow pointing up, confirming a buy entry, and based on that, I've placed a higher trade on IQ option. Expiration aligned to our usual 1-minute chart and 5-minute window. What I really want you to notice today is that out of 4 trades, we've already seen multiple premium 5/5 setups. And that's not a coincidence. It's because the indicator is built to wait patiently and only flag a signal once every single one of those 9 filters lines up in agreement. As this trade plays out, you'll notice the price moving through a mix of red and green candles before settling into the direction we need. And interestingly, you can see a second premium 5/5 signal already starting to form further along the chart, which tells you this indicator isn't a one-time tool. It keeps scanning continuously, even while your current trade is still live. This is exactly the kind of behavior you want from a serious trading tool. It doesn't just fire a signal and disappear. It stays active, constantly evaluating the market for the next high-quality opportunity. And that's a wrap. Trade closed, finishing in profit, making it 4 for 4 today. Every single one of these trades came directly from the indicator. No guesswork, just following a structured system from entry to exit. If you want to try AM quantum binary signals yourself, the course link is in the description below. And our support team is available 24/7 at support@amcourses.com. If you found this useful, subscribe for more real signal breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.